Test time compute scaling. Test time compute scaling means giving a trained model more computation during inference so it can think longer or explore more options without retraining its weights. A good mental model is giving a student extra scratch paper and time on an exam. The knowledge stays the same, but they can try more intermediate steps before writing an answer. For a language model, test time compute scaling might mean running longer chains of thought, sampling multiple candidate solutions, or doing extra verification passes before choosing the final output. For example, a reasoning-heavy LLM might answer a math word problem by generating several independent chains of thought and then voting across them, which uses more tokens in compute at test time, but can boost accuracy. This idea connects closely to inference optimization, where you decide how much computation to spend per request to balance quality, cost, and latency. Test time compute scaling matters because it lets you get better reasoning from the same base model by dialing up or down the compute per query, instead of constantly retraining larger networks. In production systems, this is a key tool for trading off accuracy, latency, and cost on the fly for different users or workloads. Test time compute scaling